I'm sorry. I'm sorry I haven't posted a video here in a while. I'm sorry I've been gone for so long. I'm just sorry. I'm really sorry. Okay, so now that we have the apologies and your forgiveness out of the way, let's get on to it. I'm sure you haven't seen me in this room before. This is my house. So I've been only posting travel content so far on this channel, but based on that content, someone liked it and decided to send me something, you know, just to check out and show you guys. And so that's why I'm doing this video. I mean, I still have travel content to post. Yeah, Rome video coming soon. But in the meantime, just for today, I'm here to unbox and show you guys the Tecno CamonX. Yeah, so someone at Tecno saw my videos and decided to send me this to show you guys. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing this, and then in a separate video that will come later, I'm going to, you know, check out the features and take photos and video and show you guys what the phone is capable of. Right? So without much further ado, let's go to the unboxing. Alright, so first thing when you open the box, you see the phone with this very lovely sticker all over the front. Alright, let's put the phone aside for now. Under the holder thing, you have another box, I believe. Alright, okay, so let's do this piece by piece. In here, you have a phone case. Oh, nice. Free phone case. Ever since I started using smartphones, I've been buying all my cases. So we have a branded Tecno phone case there. Put that aside. Of course, like with every device these days, it comes with manuals, how-tos, everything you need. Oh, and there you go, 12 months warranty. So everything you need to get started with your phone. This is nice. I'm gonna try this. Okay, let's put these to this side and go in here. Deep in the box, you have your charger head right there, a USB cable, and free earphones. I mean, what's a smartphone these days without earphones, right? Now let's put everything aside. Now this is the golden prize right here. Okay, all right, here we go. And now we go for the sticker. Woo-hoo. Oh, that's really beautiful right there. I actually really like this. There's a sticker on the back as well. Let's pull that off. Ooh. There we go. Nice and easy. Okay, so there you have it. That's the phone. I wonder if the power comes on without me charging it. Okay, so I'm having trouble finding the button here. I think that's it. It's very nice and small on that side. Ta-da! Okay, this is really cool. I haven't turned on a brand new phone in quite a while now. Yeah, that's nice. I like the fingerprint reader on the back. The present phone has it on the front, so that's good. Much more screen room on the front, much more real estate. And I love the golden highlights you see around the edges. Beautiful stuff. There you go. Nice. Tecno Camon. I'll just let it boot for a little bit. Now, in fact, while we're booting, I think I'm just going to throw on the phone case, the phone holder right now. I mean, what's a smartphone without a protector? Are very necessary. So slide this in. Nice, very snug. Okay, that looks like it's going to take a while to boot. Woohoo! Okay, So the phone is on, the case is on, and now we have the get started screen. I'm not going to go into this right now. I just wanted to show you guys the phone straight from the box, everything that comes with it, and then turning the phone on, right? So ladies and gentlemen, see you in the next video where I'm going to show you photos and videos that I'm going to take with this new Tecno CamonX. All right, see you later.